Horses out, we have let's go. Past the begin, moving a party out. So now is Maker's Mark. Racing in third, Telenovela. Then followed by I Am on Fire. Princesita Erin and Paradiso is the early thriller. We have let's go. Maker's Mark is already outside second. 4 lengths away in third, Telenovela. I Am on Fire. Then comes Paradiso and Princesita Erin is the early thriller. Let's go by about 3 for Balenga. And on the outside is Maker's Mark, patting it out for the lead. Maker's Mark takes the lead by about half a length. Let's go, drives back in second. Then in third, Telenovela. Maker's Mark now takes the lead by about half a length. Let's go is running by the second. And about 7 lengths away in third is Telenovela. Maker's Mark by about a length and a half. Let's go, drives back in second. And in third still is Telenovela, and it's still Maker's Mark by about 2 lengths. Let's Gold remains in second as they come down at the last 150. Maker's Mark once again down on the inside is Let's Gold. Maker's Mark by a length and a half, and on the outside is Let's Gold. Maker's Mark by a length, and on the outside is Let's Gold. Maker's Mark by about 2.5 lengths. Let's Gold still in second, but it's still Maker's Mark followed by Let's Gold, and finally Maker's Mark. Let's go. Then comes Telenovela.
Galing. 6-4-3-2. Maker's Mark and Let's Gold. Sila